All right, so remember, again, looking for greatest common factor is the first step to any factoring problem. I can pull 3x out, and that leaves me with x squared minus 9x plus 18. All right, so now I have a trinomial with a leading coefficient of 1. That means I just go ahead and make my bubbles. I put my x's. Okay, 18 is positive, so that means my signs have to be the same. 9 is negative. That means they're going to be both minus. So remember, this meant they had to be the same, so this meant they had to be both minus. I'm looking for factors of 18 that add to be negative 9, right? So 1 and 18, that's not going to work. 2 and 9, that's not going to work. 3 and 6, that works, right? So that would give me 3x minus 6x, which would be negative 9x. I'm going to go ahead and put my 3x out front, and this is my final answer.